Imagine this. You've got traffic coming to your online store, but people browse, click around, and then leave without buying. Sounds familiar? The problem isn't your product. It's your product page, design. And in this video, I'm going to break down step by step how to create an e-commerce product page that doesn't just look pretty, but actually sells. Stick with me till the end, because I'll also share a bonus tip most store owners miss, and it alone can double your conversions. Now let's grab your attention quickly. Studies show that if your product page doesn't convince a visitor within the first 8 seconds, they're gone. That's why your product page must be designed with conversion in mind. So let's jump into the first step. Step 1. A headline that sells, not just tells most store owners. Simply put the product name as the headline. But here's the secret. Your headline should highlight the biggest benefit. For example, instead of blue running shoes, try run faster. And stay injury-free with lightweight comfort. It speaks to the customer's desire, not just the item. On WordPress or WooCommerce, you can easily edit product titles to be keyword-rich and benefit. Step 2. Use high-converting product images. Your images aren't just photos. They're your silent salespeople. Show the product from multiple angles, in use, and zoom. Add lifestyle images where the product is actually solving a problem. If you're selling headphones, don't just show them on a white background. Show someone working out, smiling, enjoying music. That creates emotional connection. And remember, compress images for speed, because a slow page kills conversions. Step 3. The power of persuasive product descriptions. Here's where most people get it wrong. They write boring, technical descriptions copied from the supplier. Instead, use a storytelling approach. Describe the problem. Show how your product is the solution, and sprinkle in emotional triggers. Break text into bullet points. Short, scannable, mobile-friendly. Pro tip: add keywords naturally for SEO, so your page ranks higher on Google without sounding robotic. Step 4. Social proof. Reviews and testimonials. No matter how good your copy is, customers believe other customers more than you. Add reviews, ratings, testimonials, and user-generated photos. On WordPress, plugins like WooCommerce Reviews or Judge Me make this super easy. Highlight a few strong reviews right under the product description to reduce hesitation and build instant trust. Step 5. Optimize the call to action. See that add to cart button is your money button. Make it stand out. Big, bold, and high. Use colors like green or orange instead of the default 82 cart. Test high converting phrases like get yours now or buy it today. Limited stock. Place the CTA above the fold, so users don't have to scroll endlessly. Step 6. Use scarcity and urgency the right way. Ever notice those little texts saying, only 3 left in stock or sale ends in 2 hours? That's urgency and scarcity at work. But here's the key. It has to be authentic. Fake urgency can damage trust. Use real stock counters, genuine discounts, or seasonal offers to nudge people to act fast. Step 7. Mobile optimization is non-negotiable. Over 70% of e-commerce sales in 2025 come from mobile. If your product page looks messy or loads slow on phones, you're losing money. Test your page on different devices. Make sure images resize properly, CTAs are tappable, and checkout is seamless. This alone can skyrocket conversions. Step 8. Trust signals matter more than you think. Would you hand over your credit card to a shady-looking site? Probably not. That's why you need trust badges, like secure checkout logos, money-back guarantees, and clear shipping policies right on the product page. Customers feel safe, and safe customers are buying customers. Step 9. Add upsells and cross-sells smartly. Don't just stop at one product. If someone's buying a laptop, show them a laptop bag or mouse is frequently bought together. This increases your average order value without extra traffic. WooCommerce has built-in features for this. Just configure product recommendations. Step 10. Page speed equals more sales. This is one of the most overlooked factors. Every extra second of load time reduces conversions. Use free tools like Google Page Speed Insights to test, then apply fixes like caching, lazy loading images, or hosting on a faster server. Remember, faster sites make more money. And now for the bonus tip I promised. Add a short product, explicable video right on the product page. People love video. It builds trust, shows the product in action, and keeps visitors engaged longer. Pages with video convert up to 80% higher than those without. So let's recap. Craft benefit-driven headlines. Use lifestyle images, right? Persuasive descriptions. Add reviews. Optimize your CTAs. Use urgency smartly. Make it mobile-friendly. Add trust signals. Upsell wisely. And speed up your site. Follow these steps, and your product page will stop being a dead end and start becoming a money-making machine. Now here's my challenge for you. Pick just one tip from this video and apply it to your product page today. Come back and comment your results. I'd love to hear your success stories. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe for more WordPress and e-commerce growth tips. And share this with a fellow business owner who's struggling with low conversions. Remember, your store doesn't need more visitors. It needs better conversions. And with the right product page design, you can turn clicks into customers every single day.